We're here today to talk about access in a box. A couple of challenges that are faced when installing access control is time, simplicity and skills. With access in a box, there's less time spent on site installing the system. Simplicity, there are too many complex systems out there. With access in a box, it is simple to use and easy to install. Skills, the wiring is the easy part. Everything you need for an access control solution in one neat package. Access in a box will come standard, 4 doors, 1000 tag holders, and is expandable. What is in the box? Inside the IPS metal enclosure comes standard with one cluster controller, one S4 reader module, and a power supply. You will also receive your 4 SIR readers, 10 SIR credentials, basic installation guide, and on the reverse side of the installation guide, you will also see there is a drilling template for the IPS housing. A guide on the S4 reader module with all its specifications, along with a guide on the cluster controller. And here you will also receive an access in the box, how to connect for the first time guide. Just to briefly explain how simple access in a box is to use and how scalable it is. Access in a box, as you can see here, installed on this demo board, we've installed 2 readers, SIR readers, a cluster controller, and an S4 reader module. The cluster controller, through an Ethernet cable, you can plug into your laptop. In your web browser, you type in that IP address from the cluster controller. It will automatically find the controller and give you access to the embedded software that is installed on the controller. From that embedded software, you can enroll tag holders, create access groups, and pull reports such as hours worked. The cabling and the wiring of the readers is very simple. It is wired through an S-bus protocol and can be wired daisy chain or star configuration. I'm now going to take you through some basic steps and settings from the access in a box using the embedded software on the cluster controller, showing you how to enroll and how to delete a tag holder. You need to power up your access control system as shown. You then simply take an Ethernet cable from the cluster controller straight into your PC. You will type in the IP address of the cluster controller, which at default I have here at 192.168.100.1. You've now typed in the IP address in the web browser, pushed enter, and it's automatically picked up the cluster controller through the embedded software. It will ask you for a login, which is admin. You type in admin in the password section, click log on, and it opens up the software. I'm now going to demonstrate to you how to enroll a tag holder. So adding a tag holder, we've clicked on the People tab. We've entered a first name, last name. If there's a PIN that's required, you can enter that there. There is a signal icon, which you'll need to click on. It's going to ask you, are you going to enroll on the exit or entry tag? We're going to enroll on the entry reader. It has now brought the tag number into the system. We click Save. The tag now has access to the readers. Then we go to Live. You can see that the transactions are coming through in the software. If If you wish to delete the tag holder, it is as simple as clicking on the tag holder, going to delete person deleted. Access in a Box is running the embedded software on the cluster controller called AP Lite, Access Portal Lite. That comes standard, allowing you 8 doors and up to 1,000 tag holders. If the site needs to increase the number of doors, the system is easily scalable. You simply change the dip switch settings on the cluster controller and download the Portal Basic software. This will immediately give you 100 doors and 1,000 tag holders.